YouTubers, welcome back to Diecast Culture, and I wanted to share with you this Cars Disney Pixar Floyd Morgan, as it's called. I quite like this. It's in fact, I like it a lot. It's pretty cool. It's a little bit larger than 1/64 scale, only slightly. I've got a number of other 1940s and 1940s mainly coupes or coupes, which would go well with this one. So we'll get it out of the packet in a second and take a closer look. So the Disney Pixar series have a lot of really nicely done paint schemes. Lots of detail there and a nice clear coat over the top of it. So this one has got some hood ties, probably would have been a little bit similar to leather belts, and some air intakes on the side. The tyres are, they look very detailed, but they are plastic, they're not rubber, plastic base. And yeah, I guess it would have been cool to have an interior, but I guess that's not what Disney Pixar cars are all about. It's because they've got the face on the front. So we're going to go even closer in. Jen's Diner. That's on the hood. And we've got some sort of logo in front of, just behind the front wheel. No, can't quite read that. Torsen Trucking. And trying to read that license plate. So I'll make a future video I'll get out all my 1940s coupes or coupes and we can compare them with this one. So that's about it for this video, just a short one. Thanks ever so much for watching. Stay safe, happy diecast hunting, and speak to you soon. Bye.